Hey guys, Carl here with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to show you this 2023 Bulls Bay 200cc, so a 20-foot boat in length. It does come with the trailer as well. 2023 model, it's essentially brand new. It's fresh trade-in. Blue in color, beautiful shape, ready for the water. Let's take a look inside. All right guys, here in the bow of this Bulls Bay, you'll see a small bow cushion here with removable backrest. You can get two people up here easily. Anchor storage up front. You do have a seating area here in front of the helm, but it does lay down if you need a little bit more space here for fishing or what have you. Moving back to the helm, you're going to see the Simrad electronics. You're going to have the VHF radio, Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Again, this boat, less than 30 hours as it sits right now. Cooler underneath your helm seat. You can take that to the island with you if you want to enjoy the day. Bench seating across the aft, and those are removable for storage or fish boxes as well. And then you got the Suzuki 175 horsepower outboard to push this 20-foot Bulls Bay. Again, my name's Carl with MarineMax. Give me a shout if you'd like to come look at it.